Welcome back to Cooking with OTK.
We're doing some mummy wrapped piggies and a black omelet.
We're out here at our spooktacular campsite.
We're about to finally get some breakfast. So we're gonna grab our ingredients. We're gonna start with our mummy wrapped piggies and simple crescent dough. Junior's gonna make those.
Woohoo! So I'm thinking this comes in a sheet. I'll cut strips, kind of wrap the weenies and put it onto my tray.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So got my knife. We're gonna open up our little weenies and we're gonna cut some strips out of our crescent rolls. That way we can make them look like little mummies.
Ooh.
There we go. It's always fun. I like opening these. It's like a time bomb. Is it gonna blow up in my hand? Oh, it did.
Yes, it did.
It did. We're just gonna unroll this to our best ability. And I'm gonna kind of try and push it back together a little bit. Make it into a full sheet. That way I can cut little strips out of it.
And I think they do make nowadays the full sheets.
Yeah, I think you're right. I guess we could have got a full sheet, but it's not a big deal. I'm just gonna kind of trim this little excess off right here so I can get a straight line. And then I'm thinking maybe about a 1/4 inch strips like that. Oh,
If they fall apart, that's okay.
yeah, it's fine if they fall apart.
And they can be different sizes too if you want. You know, it's not a piano, it's a mummy.
Forgot, I'm not cooking this for anybody special.
Except one hungry person.
Yeah, I think you mispronounced hangry.
Well, I've had my coffee. I'm ready to eat.
I'm sure everybody can understand your troubles here. All right, our first weenie. Take your little weenie and take your crescent sticks and just kind of wrap them around like that. And you want to try and keep the ends of it on the same side of the weenie. So when you set it down, it holds it on. Because when it puffs up, you don't want it to.
Yeah, and you're gonna wrap it many times around.
Yeah.
You wanna get the crisscrossing, like another layer.
Mm-hmm. And just take another one and we can go just like the other way around. That way it kind of looks like mummification. Kind of like that.
Sure looked. Well, when I was looking, I didn't see the full sheets. They had pie, but not the crescent.
Alrighty. Once you got all your weenies wrapped, then we put them on the pan. We definitely found out it would be a lot easier if we got that full sheet of crescent dough.
So when you're in your store and you can find the full sheet, go ahead and get that. If not, the regular does work. It just takes a little more time.
It does.
Hey, it's supposed to be fun anyway.
It is supposed to be fun. And you know, it only took us about maybe 5 minutes. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our weenies and put them on our baking tray. You don't have to be too particular either. You just get them a little bit of distance from each other. And then we've got our oven over there. We've got it preheated to about 400 degrees, but that's because it's a camp oven. It's our camp chef. So we're just gonna put this on the top rack. Put it in there for, how long would you say?
Typically about 15 minutes. I would check it at 10 and see if it needs to be adjusted, but
we'll be back in 10.
all right. Well, the mummy piggies are in the oven, so we're gonna start our omelet of death. All right, I think our piggies are done, or should I say our mummies.
Ooh, mummies.
Oh,
Wow.
those look good. Whew, they're hot. All right, there we have it. Our mummy piggies and our omelet of death.
How's the mummies?
They are yummy. Yummy mummy.
Yummy mummies.
They're hot. Not hangry anymore.
Me either.
Well, as we like to say, keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.
Stupid sunlight, that's not a good shot. It's too reflective. Oh well.